Okay, student, today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of mixed number. So in the last week we have learned that to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So now let's see how to add. So there are two methods. So I'll show you both the method. It's up to you that which method you have to follow. In the first method, you will see the mixed number. Okay, 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. What we are going to do it? This whole numbers are there, 6 and 2. That add together, 6 plus 2. Okay. In between we are going to put a plus sign, and in the second bracket we are going to take 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. I hope you understand the first step. We are going to take this whole number in one bracket, plus sign in between, and then the fraction in another bracket. Second step, 6 plus 2, 8 plus. Now student, when you are adding the fraction and the denominators are equal, there is no need to equalize the denominator. So how you are going to do this? Add the numerator and write down common denominator. So it is 2 plus 2 upon 3. Now again you want the answer in the mixed number. So what you have to do it, as I showed you in the earlier practice set, that first method, here 8, below we have to write one denominator. Okay, so we have to take 1 as a denominator. Now in this case we have to equalize the denominator. So to equalize the denominator we have to multiply 3 by 1. So here 1 you have to multiply by 3. Whatever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same number in the numerator. Second fraction, 2 upon 3, write down as it is. 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3. Here 2 upon 3. Now we'll get the denominator equal. So add the numerator. 24 plus 2, it is 26 upon 3. Okay. Now here we got 26 upon 3, that we have to convert again in the mixed number. So we have to divide that. 3 divisor, 26 dividend. And then we have to divide the number. So what is the answer? Tell me what is the nearest number in the 3's table. Nearest number to the for 26. Yes, 3 8s are 24. So 26 minus 24. It's 2. Okay. Then we are going to convert in the form of QRD. What is question here? 8. It is remainder 2. So when you are convert in this form, you are getting question 8, remainder 2, and the denominator, D is the denominator, write down as it is. So we are getting the answer 8 2 upon 3. Now student, let's see method 2. In method 2, this 6 1 upon 3 and 2 1 upon 3 mixed numbers we have to convert into a improper fraction. So if you remember, to convert into improper fraction we have to multiply 6 into 3 and then add plus 1. So tell me 6 into 3 how much? Otherwise I'll show you. 6 into 3 and there you have to add plus 1 upon denominator, write down as it is. So what is the answer? 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 upon 3. Now take this fraction 2, so 2 into 3 and then you have to add plus 1. So it is 2 into 3 plus 1, denominator write down as it is. So it is 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 3. So 7 upon 3. Okay. So now we are going to use this fraction. 19 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3. Denominators are equal. So no need to equalize the denominator. Take a common denominator, and 19 plus 7. So 19 plus 7 how much? 26 upon 3. Okay. Okay, now this 26 upon 3 we have to convert into a mixed number. So we have to divide. 3 here, 26 inside. So 26, what is the number we have to take? 3 8s are 24. So 26 minus 24, that is 2. Convert in the form of QRD. 8 is quotient and 2 is remainder. So therefore we'll get the answer 8 is 2 and the denominator 3. So this is our final answer. So student, here these are the two methods, method 1 and method 2. So it's up to you that which method you are going to follow. I think we're going to follow this method too for the remaining sums. Okay, student, let's solve second question. As I told you, we'll use the second method. Okay, those who are comfortable with first method, you can use first method also. Now let's see. Here, mixed fraction, mixed number, you have to convert into improper fraction. So what you're going to do it? 1 multiply by 4, and then whatever is the multiplication, add 1. So now this time I will write down directly. Otherwise I'll show you when this sum, but next sum onward we'll write down directly. So here 1 into 4 plus 1. Denominator write down as it is. 1 4s are 4 plus 1 upon 4. So it is 5 upon 4. Student, you can write down even directly. Next, 3 1 upon 2. So 3 into 2, whatever is the multiplication, add plus 1. So 3 into 2 plus 1. Denominator 2, write down as it is. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 2. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. Okay, now we got two fractions, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 2. So we'll add that two fractions. Okay, now 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 2 will add. Now here denominators are not equal, so we have to equalize the denominator. So here in this method, we'll see the denominator 4 and 2. So if you observe, there is some relationship between 4 and 2. What is that? Yes, 2 2s are 4. So this fraction remain as it is. For this fraction, this 2 will multiply by 2 because 2 2s are 4. Whatever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same number you have to multiply in the numerator. Now 5 upon 4 write down as it is. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Now the denominators are equal. So write down 5 plus 14 upon 4. So it is 5 plus 4, 19 upon 4. Now this 19 upon 4, again we have to convert in the mixed number. So we have to divide 4 and 19. Okay, take the table of 4 and see what is the nearest number for 19. Yes, 4 4s are 16. 19 minus 16, 19 minus 16. Yes, it is 3. Convert in the form of QRD. 4 is quotient, 3 is remainder. So we'll get our last answer Q4, remainder 3 and denominator 4. Okay. Now let's solve third question. Okay. Now convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Okay. Here these two numbers we have to multiply. 5 5s are 25 plus 1. Yes, 26 upon 5. I hope you understand that what I did. Multiply these two numbers. 5 into 5, 25. Plus 1, add numerator plus 1. So it is 26. And the denominator write down as it is. Here 2 7s are 14. Send this here to add. Here also I'll show you. So 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. And denominator 7 write down as it is. Again, if you observe, the denominators are not equal. So we have to equalize the denominator. And even there is no relation between both the denominator. So in this case, we are going to do it cross multiplication. Okay, so 5 you have to multiply by 7 and 7 you have to multiply by 5. 5 you have to multiply by 7 and your 7 you have to multiply by 5. And whichever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same number you have to multiply in the numerator. Numerator is 26. Here also what is the numerator? 15. 15 you have to multiply by 5. This method is called as cross multiplication. Okay, so 26 7s are, yes, it is 182. You have to multiply it properly. 7 5s are 35. 15 5s are 75 upon 35. Now here the denominators are equal. So now take a common numerator. 182 plus 75 upon 35, the common denominator. Now tell me, add quickly, tell me the answer. 182 plus 75. Yes, it is 257 upon 35. Now we have to convert this into in the form of QRD. So divide it. We have to do the division. So we have to see the table of 35, the number nearest to 257. So I have already done for you. So it is 35 sevens are 245. So answer is 12. Okay. Now we have to convert in the form of Q, R, D. So Q 7, R 12. So convert 7, R is 12 and denominator 35. Okay. Student, if you want to use method 1 for this particular question, because here the numbers are little bigger one. So if you want to use the method 1, you can use even method. Student, for question 3, I will show you even another method. Okay. So let's take the another method. We have to add the whole number 5 plus 2 plus sign in between, and then another bracket, add only fractions. 5 plus 2, 7. Now student, here denominators are not equal, so we have to equalize the denominator, and there is no relation between the denominators. So we are going to do the cross multiplication. We have to multiply 7 by 5 and 5 by 7. So let's take, as I told you, we have to multiply 5 by 7 and here 7 multiplied by 5. Whichever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same in the numerator. What is the numerator here? 1. Similarly here also, whatever you are multiplying in the denominator, same multiply in the numerator. Here also numerator is 1. Again 7 write down as it is here. 1 sevens are 7, 7 fives are 35. 1 fives are 5, 7 fives are 35. Now the denominators are equal. Next step, 7 plus 5 how much? 12. 35. Okay. So now we got 7 plus 12 upon 35. So actually we are getting the answer 7, 12 upon 35. But how we are getting this answer 7, 12 upon 35? That let's see. Okay, I'm writing this step again here. Here I am taking denominator 1. Equalize the denominator. So here we have to multiply 35 by 1. Whatever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same number in the numerator. Second fraction, write down as it is. Okay, now multiply. 35 sevens are, okay, it is 245. 35 ones are 35 plus 12 upon 35. Now the denominators are equal. So 245 plus 12, take a common denominator. So 245 plus 12, it is 257 upon 35. Now this fraction 257 upon 35 you have to convert in the form of mixed number. So let's divide now. And we will convert in the form of Q, R, D. So we are going to take the table of 35. Okay. So if you will take the table of 35, the nearest number to 257 is 35 sevens are. It is 245. Subtract. So you will get the answer 12. So Q is 7, R is 12. And then when you convert in the form of QRD, so Q is what? 7, R 12 and 35 is the denominator. So here we'll get the answer. See here in this step also, we are getting the same answer 7, 12 upon 35. But then you have to do this method. So students, there are two methods. It's up to you whichever method you have to follow. Use only one method for each question. Okay, so now question number 4 is for the homework.